Into the brains!
Alright, today I'm gonna do MSTTV's virtual world combo, the 3 combos that he did with Octavio, and the downloadable deck link will be in the description, and here we go. Alright, this combo is by MSTTV. So this is new trap combo, Lulu and City. Here we go. We need Lulu, City, and then 2 discards. Kowloon, Chuche, Lulu, target Chuche. Sending King Long, adding Lily, target Chuche, sending another King Long, and then sending Nian Nian. King Long is gonna add GG and sending any card. GG, target Lily, which is a monster, sending the trap Huan Wu. Then Nian Nian's gonna activate as a level 3 with normal summon or special summon, and it was in the graveyard, and it's now a tuner. But it gets banished when it leaves. And then, who was that? Lulu and Lily for Gossip Shadow. And then Lily and Nian Nian for Chao Feng. And then not activating Nian Nian's effect when it gets banished. Chuche, target 1 face-up card on the field, which is Chao Feng, and shuffle back the 2 virtual worlds. And if Chao Feng is gonna add a tuner, and this synchro is destroyed by battle of card effects into the graveyard. Add 1 tuner from your deck to your hand. It's gonna be Lao Lao with Chao Feng. Huan Wu banish for Lily. And then pitching a card, which is Gamma. Lao Lao, target Lily, dumping Chuche. Chuche, reduce Lily's level by 3 into a Cloud Castle. Castle's effect. It's gonna revive back Chao Feng from the grave. And that is the VFD. And then end phase, GG's effect is gonna add back Lao Lao. Alright, this combo right here from MST TV. We need Lulu, Kinglong, and 2 cards to send to the graveyard. Here we go. To activate spell, Lulu, target, send, Chuche. And then the third type is a monster, which is Lily, adding with Lulu's effect. Lulu, target, monster, sending, spell, special. When it's special, send the third type, which is the trap. Kinglong, banish, add a virtual world monster, which is Gigi, and then sending a card from your hand. Gigi, targeting a spell, sending a monster, which is Lao Lao. And Chuche is going to decrease the level of Chi-Chi by 3. Banish into Gossip Shadow. Lulu and Lily into Gossip Shadow in this zone. Wanwu, banish, special from grave Lao Lao, and then discarding a card, sending a card to the graveyard. And then with Lao Lao and Gigi, Vermilion, effect, banish a tuner, target a card on the field, destroy the target itself, and when it's destroyed, target one of your banished tuners, add it to your hand. So Lao Lao is coming back. And we haven't used Lao Lao's effect first. Lao Lao, target spell, sending Lulu, which is a monster. I can't revive Lulu because that's Lao Lao's effect. You can't revive back what you send. But then Lao Lao can revive Chi-Chi. So that's 3 and 9. That's Cloud Castle. Cloud Castle's effect. Special summon a level 9 in the graveyard. Synchro. Wait, it's just level 9 monster. Okay. Vermilion. Into VFD. End phase. Gigi's end phase effect will add the Lulu. And that's it. Alright, this is the virtual world combo by MST TV. This is the new trap, Lily and Kinglong. I did it on Omega. Here we go. 2 VFDs. All you need is Lily and Kinglong. And first thing is you activate Kinglong. And then Lily. It's gonna target Kinglong. I'm gonna dump Wanwu. Then Lily's gonna dump the third type, which is Lulu. And then Wanwu is gonna banish the special Lulu, and then gotta pitch a card. You really need these two and then 2 discards. And then Lulu and Lily will make Vermilion Dragon Mech. It's gonna activate its effect to banish and pop itself to add Lulu back from hand. Now Lulu is gonna target King Long, dumping Chuche. It's gonna special and it's gonna add back Gigi. Gigi, target Lulu, dumping King Long. And then Chuche is going to increase the level of Gigi by 3. Doesn't really matter which one. Into Cloud Castle, and then Cloud Castle is synchroed. Gonna revive back Vermilion Dragon Mech, and that's your first PFD. True King of all calamities. And then True King right away, calling light, detaching Vermilion Dragon Mech. You're gonna get him back with Cloud Castle again. Jinglong, banish, add Lao Lao. And you're gonna have to discard a card. Lao Lao, target King Long, sending Lulu. Lao Lao's effect is gonna special summon a virtual world, which is the level 3 GG. But that's a tuner, non-tuner, 3+6. There's a 9 Cloud Castle. It's gonna revive again Vermilion, and that's the second VFD. And then end phase, Gigi's end phase effect will add Lulu. And that is 2 VFDs with Lily and King Long.